Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy fast. To achieve quick crystallization, you need to create a supersaturated sugar solution and then cool it rapidly. This process encourages sugar molecules to bond together quickly, forming crystals. Using a clean string as a seed and maintaining a stable environment are also key for speedy results. First, combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture gently, stirring until all the sugar completely dissolves, creating a clear syrup. Do not boil excessively. Next, prepare your crystal growing setup by tying a clean cotton string to a pencil, ensuring the string hangs freely into your chosen container. To accelerate growth, immediately place your hot sugar solution into an ice bath to cool it down rapidly. This quick cooling helps create an unstable environment, prompting faster crystallization. For an extra boost, you can seed your string by dipping it in the solution and letting a few sugar crystals form before submerging it fully. For the best results, ensure your string is fully submerged in the solution but not touching the bottom or sides of the container. Once you've set it up, avoid disturbing the container or stirring the solution, as this can disrupt crystal formation. You should begin to see noticeable crystal growth within just a few hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.